Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed ledger system that has the potential to revolutionize various industries by enhancing transparency, security, and efficiency. Here are some key impacts of blockchain technology on different sectors. 1. Financial services. Blockchain is disrupting the financial industry by providing secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. It enables faster cross-border payments, reduces transaction costs, and enhances financial inclusivity. Blockchain-based smart contracts automate and enforce the terms of agreements, streamlining processes such as lending, insurance, and asset management. 2. Supply chain and logistics. Blockchain enhances supply chain transparency and traceability by recording every transaction and movement of goods. It enables stakeholders to track and verify the origin, authenticity, and condition of products. Blockchain can reduce counterfeiting, streamline logistics, and simplify documentation processes, improving efficiency and trust in supply chain management. 3. Healthcare. Blockchain technology enhances the security and privacy of sensitive healthcare data. It enables secure sharing and access control of patient records, ensuring data integrity and interoperability among healthcare providers. Blockchain can streamline processes like medical billing, clinical trials, and drug supply chain management, reducing fraud and improving patient outcomes. 4. Real estate. Blockchain simplifies and secures property transactions by providing transparent and tamper-proof records of ownership, title deeds, and contracts. It enables faster and more efficient property transfers, reduces fraud, and eliminates the need for intermediaries. Blockchain-based platforms also enable fractional ownership and decentralized property rental systems. 5. Intellectual property protection. Blockchain can help protect intellectual property rights by providing a decentralized and immutable ledger for recording patents, copyrights, and trademarks. It enables timestamping and proof of existence for digital assets, establishing ownership and proving authorship. Blockchain-based platforms also facilitate fair and transparent royalty distribution for artists and creators. 6. Energy and utilities. Blockchain enables decentralized energy trading and peer-to-peer energy transactions, reducing reliance on centralized authorities. It allows individuals and organizations to trade excess energy generated from renewable sources, promoting sustainability and grid resiliency. Blockchain also facilitates transparent tracking of energy consumption and carbon credits. 7. Voting and governance. Blockchain technology can enhance the integrity and transparency of voting systems. It enables secure and verifiable digital voting, eliminating the risk of tampering and fraud. Blockchain-based governance systems can enable transparent decision-making, citizen participation, and auditability in public administration. 8. Insurance. Blockchain streamlines insurance processes by automating claims processing, verifying policyholder information, and reducing fraudulent activities. Smart contracts on the blockchain can automate policy issuance, premium payments, and claims settlement. Blockchain-based platforms also enable peer-to-peer insurance models and parametric insurance for faster payouts in case of predefined events. 9. Identity management. Blockchain enhances identity management systems by providing secure and self-sovereign digital identities. It enables individuals to have control over their personal data and selectively share it with trusted entities. Blockchain-based identity systems can reduce identity theft, streamline user verification processes, and enable efficient and secure digital onboarding. 10. Education. Blockchain technology can provide secure and verifiable certifications and credentials, enhancing the credibility and portability of educational achievements. It enables lifelong learning records, facilitates secure sharing of academic transcripts, and reduces the risk of fraudulent qualifications. These are just a few examples of how blockchain technology is impacting industries. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, its potential applications and impacts are likely to expand further, driving innovation and transforming various sectors.